Let's learn how to block a circular project using the blocking wire set from Maker's Mercantile. First off, I am going to take out the wires. There are 4 of them in this set. I am going to start with one of the wires and thread it through as many stitches as I can on this project. It may be that I need a second one, but let's see where we get with just one at the moment. All right, so I'm not quite all the way around, but I think in order to leave a decent amount of the ends hanging out, I am going to grab a second wire so that I can make sure that there is enough room for my stitches to relax onto the wire versus being scrunched up. So with the second wire, I am going to overlap a little bit of what my first wire is, just so that we make sure that none of our stitches slip off in the process. And here we go. Okay, so now that I have my wires all the way through, I am going to take out my knitting needle. I kept that in as sort of a safety line, but now that the wires are through, I should be able to take that out without losing any of my stitches. Now that I have my needle out, I am going to start pinning my work by putting pins opposite each other. So I'm going to start at my 12 o'clock point and put one, stretch out and put one at 6. Then I'm going to work this way, put one at 3, go this way, and we're going to put one at 9. As I started pinning, I realized I hadn't left enough of my ends out to keep all of my stitches on my blocking wires. So what I'm doing is I'm going through and taking that second wire that I had and pulling more of it through the other stitches so that I make sure that I have enough excess on my ends so that my stitches don't fall off. My blocking wires together here. So that I don't get a gap in my stitches. This is one solution. Another solution is just overlapping the ends of your blocking wires like we did over here. So we've got it blocked off at 12, 6, 3, and 5, and sorry, 9. Now we're going to split the quadrants again. We are going to then go in between 12 and 3. Come back here. And then go directly across from it. So between 6 and 9. Then we are going to go in between 12 and 9 and go across from that between 3 and 6. As you can see, we've got a pretty good circle going on here. Things should be stretched out about the same amount. If there is a spot that, as you're pinning things, that you see that maybe it's not stretching the same, or you would like it to stretch a little bit more in some place, you can always move your pins as you go. And actually, I'm gonna go. Now, the nice thing about using T-pins is, as you can see in a couple spots, my wire doesn't want to stay down, and fortunately with the T-pins, with these nice little tops, help keep that wire in place as we're going. Now, just to make sure that we have a really nice circle, I'm going to divide my spaces again, just one more time. I did this one, so I want to go directly across and go here. All right, as you can see, we've got a really nice circle going here. After we get it to this point, we are going to steam block it. Now, for some people, if you have a steamer, some of you might even have a steamer option on your iron. A lot of times, steamers are meant to be in an upright position. The one that we have here, you actually can do it in a flat position. But if you do not have one that can steam in a flat position, you will want to take your blocking boards and prop them upright so that you don't spill hot water on your projects. All right, now that the project is steamed, we can put our needle back in to continue working the body.